ReadyArc's ES276i is our latest portable stick and DC TIG power source. This unit not only offers extreme duty durability, but also big welding performance, all in the convenience of a smaller package. Designed for indoor and outdoor construction application, this welder is rugged enough to handle the toughest job sites, and at just 20 inches in length and 54 pounds, it's extremely portable. It provides continuous output current adjustment, selectable welding modes, and local or remote output control. It has outstanding E6010 and E7018 performance, using up to 7/32 diameter electrodes that enable both whip and drag techniques. It's also optimized for touch start DC TIG, which allows the welding arc to be established without high frequency starting. This machine can also handle air carbon arc cutting and gouging with up to 3/16 diameter carbon electrodes. It's rated at 275 amps at 35% duty cycle, 200 amps at 100% duty cycle, and can run off single or three-phase 50 or 60 Hz input power. Standard features include digital meters, selectable hot start, adjustable arc force, and full remote control capability. Starting characteristics can be adjusted via selectable hot start, which provides an extra boost of output to help you fire off and prevent sticking to the workpiece. Variable arc force provides control of the welding characteristics by dialing in a soft or crisp arc. The arc is soft at the minimum settings and more forceful for digging or penetrating at the maximum settings. Additionally, it offers remote control capability with 50-foot or 100-foot cable extensions via 6-pin MS receptacle. The Quick Connect output terminals are compatible with Tweco connectors, which are designed to stay snug and resist shorting. The ES276i can be rented as a single unit or in 4- and 8-pack multi-operator configurations. For more detailed information about the ES276i, refer to the operator manual IM10599 on our website and be sure to follow all recommended safety precautions.